Hello everybody from Gregory Bear and welcome to new viewers joining us today. Remember to subscribe and press that bell for new programmes being produced here at SLR.tv. There's more content like this throughout the channel. Today we are at the Classic Car Show 2019 at Birmingham's NEC. We'll have a quick look at some of the cars on the floor and then our main feature, the sporting bears. Stevo will be out there as well, and then we can have a further look at some of the classic cars to round off the visit. Ready? Yeah, me too. Roll them titles. And that's just a sample of the cars, vans, trucks, bikes and trailers on display here at the show. Stevo, where are you?
Hello and welcome to the Classic Car Show 2019 from myself, Stevo, here at the NEC in Birmingham.
So, moving right along now to the Sporting Bears. Since the club was formed in 1989, they have raised over $2.5 million for children's charities in the UK. The dream rides take the form of a 10-mile passenger ride in the car of your dreams, and a donation, which is a minimum per car, is worked out and given to charity. Stevo, what can you see at the Sporting Bears stand?
Here's a Ford RS going out, and classic Peugeot 205, probably a 1.9 GTI coming up.
Every likelihood, Stevo. The car has a 3-door hatchback type body with a front-mounted engine empowering the front wheels. 4-cylinder, single overhead camshaft, naturally aspirated engine, has 2 valves per cylinder and a capacity of 1.9 litres. You'll find that's 130 brake horsepower, a 5-speed manual box with a stated curb weight of 875 kilos, 0 to 60 in 7.6 seconds and a standing quarter mile in 16.3 seconds with a maximum speed of 123 miles per hour. That is the Peugeot 205 1.9 GTI. Let's have a look at what else is out there. Stevo!
It's on a K-plate 1972, say 13 seconds.
Why you have to be here yourself. I think we should come back and have a look at the Vauxhalls, the Minis and maybe some VW as well. Anyway, that'll be next time here on SLR TV. Until then, from Gregs and Stevo.
See ya.